Beth with Crafty Corner here, and I am back with a design space tip. I am going to show you how to turn a single layer SVG into a multi-layer SVG right in Design Space. First, we're going to start by uploading our single layer image. I grabbed a coloring page from online and I'm going to upload it. Usually when I'm uploading an image, I select complex here, but for this image it's black and white and it's not too many lines, so I select simple. Now we need to get our cut lines. We use this tool to click on the space that we want to be cut out. In this case, any of the white spots. Here we can preview the image to make sure we got all of the pieces we want. When you like the way it looks, click on Apply and Continue. The next screen, we are going to pick between cut image and print and cut image, and we want the cut image. Select image and add to canvas. Now it's on our canvas and we want to create our layers. We will start with duplicating our image and then select contour. I usually start with hiding all contours. This way I can pick all the cut lines that I want instead of eliminating what I don't want. You can either select from the right side panel or select right on the screen. I sometimes have issues with where it wants to select. It isn't exactly where my cursor is, but I just play around with it until I get all the parts that I want. Then, when we have all of what we want cut, we can click out of the contour screen and only have our pieces that we selected. I changed the color so that I know it's a different layer. And then we can repeat this process as many times to get all of our layers. Then we can use our image on a shirt or whatever we want to create with all of our colorful layers we created. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, give us a comment and don't forget to subscribe so that you can see all of our awesome videos.